In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method to your ClickBank account. Start by signing in to your ClickBank account and opening your dashboard. From there, look for the accounts section in the main navigation. This is where all of your ClickBank accounts are listed. If you manage more than one, choose the specific account you want to update by clicking its nickname. That will take you into the account level view where you can make changes that apply just to that account. Once you're inside the selected account, head to Account Settings. This is the hub for your profile, contact details, tax information, and, most importantly for today, your payout preferences. On the Account Settings page, find the Payment Information area and click Edit. This opens the form where you can select and configure how you want to get paid. On the Payment Method screen, choose your preferred payout option. Depending on your region, typical choices include direct deposit to your bank account or a mailed check. If you select a bank transfer option, you'll be prompted for details such as account number and routing, IBN, or SWIFT BIS. Enter this information exactly as it appears on your bank documents to avoid delays. Make sure the account name matches the legal name on your ClickBank profile, and confirm your bank can receive funds in the currency ClickBank sends. If your bank uses intermediary banks for international transfers, it's a good idea to confirm any special instructions directly with your bank before saving. You may also see fields related to payout schedule or threshold, depending on your account. Choose the settings that fit your cash flow needs. If ClickBank asks you to complete tax or profile information before saving, go ahead and finish those required fields. The system won't apply payment changes until everything is valid. Before you finalize, take a moment to double-check every number and spelling. Small typos in banking details can cause returns and fees, so it's worth a careful review. When everything looks correct, click Save Changes. You should see a confirmation message that your payment method was updated successfully. To be sure it's set, return to Account Settings and verify that the Payment Information section now reflects your chosen method. Keep in mind that updates may take effect with the next scheduled payout, not immediately. If your change doesn't appear to stick, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or signing in again. And always confirm you're on the official ClickBank site with a secure connection before entering any financial details. That's it. Your ClickBank payment method is now added and ready to go.